Tired of waiting on deliveries just to use your cashback? Say no more. With bXCODE, you can redeem your bXTRA cashback or BCB in store real time. No drama, no delays. Here's how to make the most out of your rewards right at the counter. First, make sure you've downloaded the bXTRA PH app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap bXCODE icon in the center tab bar and choose Scan bXCODE to redeem using your BCB wallet to start your transaction. Scan the store's bXCODE QR, which is usually displayed at the counter or cashier area. Or simply ask the cashier or a staff member for their bXCODE QR code to start your transaction. Type in your total bill and tap Proceed. After that, take or upload a clear photo of your receipt. Once uploaded, review the transaction details carefully and tap Proceed again. Enter your PIN code to authorize the redemption. Forgot it? Tap PIN Reminder and confirm to get it sent to your email. Once your PIN is in, double-check everything and tap Finish to complete your redemption. Note, the store will also receive an SMS notification each time you redeem cashback at their store indicating the amount redeemed. Want to be extra sure? Head to your BCB wallet to check if the transaction really went through. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've redeemed using your bXTRA cashback or BCB real-time and stress-free. So next time you're out shopping, don't forget to use your rewards through bXCODE and bXTRA.